Welcome to our community. Do you believe that just one moment of carelessness can change a life forever? Here, we share real and emotional stories of traffic accidents, unbelievable moments, and valuable lessons. Don't let loose cargo turn into a road hazard. A moment of caution ensures a safe journey. Rhoda's risky performance, the car's broken, the pole's down, and the couple is left wondering, what kind of entertainment is this? A police chase ensued in the U.S. as officers pursued a burning vehicle speeding down the highway. Despite warnings, the suspect continued, prompting officers to use the pit maneuver to stop the vehicle. The chase ended with the truck disabled, the suspect arrested, and no casualties. This decisive action prevented a potential major accident. The road is not a battlefield. A little self-control can prevent serious consequences from a moment of rage. Motorcyclist mindset, no matter the circumstances. Driving cautiously ahead and being aware of your surroundings is always an advantage. Never expected that a car with a camera would become the hero saving the truck. The thief will surely remember this lesson for a long time. Before the Fortuner could do anything, the truck had already plunged into the ditch. Perhaps the engine was running too hot. Watford scores again with the horizontal trap this time. The victim was a van that lost its rear door. Rainy weather, slippery roads, slow down. Don't let your trip turn into a lesson you'll never forget. A truck lost control, and its cargo danced like a circus performer, but no one could laugh witnessing such a scene. Almost lost the door, but thankfully ancestors called out from behind. Strong storm and a sunshine, trees down, cars damaged, traffic chaos, truly an unexpected nature challenge. A dump truck unexpectedly gifts a surprise hole, and a 7-seater car gets the mood drop experience. Thankfully, no injuries occurred. The truck got stuck, and the sign is heartbroken. Surely this is the most memorable driving moment for the driver. The night of August 14th, 2022, a high-speed chase occurred on Highway 85 South in Coweta County, Georgia, involving a black Hyundai Sonata speeding at 120 to 132 mph and constantly changing lanes to evade capture. After a successful pit maneuver, the vehicle crashed into a concrete wall, skidded across 3 lanes, and collided with a barrier. Police discovered Diamond Cooper as the driver and Kiana Buckner as the passenger inside the car. Cooper, who fled the scene to protect her friend, was apprehended and admitted that she didn't stop because she didn't want her friend to get in trouble. However, she later claimed she wasn't the one driving. A search of the vehicle revealed a stolen catalytic converter, a power saw, and gloves. Cooper was arrested and transported to the Broward County Jail without incident. Stay vigilant. A split second of distraction led to a staged collision. Leaving the victim without their car. Never let your guard down, especially when you're alone. A moment of life and death. A small car pinned against the barrier. Face to face with an oncoming truck, just a blink of an eye could change fate forever. High-stakes chase. A suspect in a yellow Mustang weaves through rush hour traffic on the 101, 405 freeways and residential areas in Inglewood. After the tires were shredded, the pursuit ended on the 91 freeway in Gardena, with both the driver and passenger apprehended. Without a rollover prevention tool, it became a memorable roll. Result: the truck's front had to be changed, a costly lesson. A strong contender for the Worst Driver Award. Reckless overtaking, driving on the sidewalk, spinning around, and ending up flipped over, trying to break a record on his own. A carjacker causes chaos in Colorado initially. He steals a red SUV from a gas station with a 4-year-old boy inside. After the incident makes the news, he steals a yellow minivan, driving the wrong way on a highway in Denver. Eventually, he hijacks a third vehicle, forcing a woman out of her car before fleeing. After crashing the vehicle and running on foot, he is eventually captured by the police. a delivery not only expensive but also costly for the lesson learned. The white car seems to want to say, "I'm driving. Why are you looking at me like that?" In a pursuit in Broward County, police used a pit maneuver to stop a van driving recklessly on the highway. The van hit a guardrail and came to a stop. Police surrounded the vehicle and ordered the driver to comply. The situation ended safely with no injuries, and it is believed the vehicle may have been stolen. The pursuit was short-lived and caused minimal damage. The truck driver thought he was a superhero, but that turn turned him into a super disaster. It could have been a lot worse, but she handled it perfectly. The driver took the turn, hit the sidewalk, and ended up climbing a power cable. Guess it was a driving challenge. The bus stopped in the wrong spot, causing a chain collision of 3 vehicles. Small mistake, big consequence. Always follow traffic rules. After the collision, the container wound up and hung precariously over the bridge like it was testing its luck. Thankfully, the rescue team arrived just in time to save the driver. Forsyth County deputies received a bolo from Dawson County about shoplifting suspects possibly traveling on Georgia. Why, 400. They initiated a high-speed chase and eventually caught up with the suspect's vehicle. During the pursuit, the deputies successfully performed a pit maneuver, forcing the suspect's car to stop and bringing the chase to a safe conclusion. A driver just wanted to change lanes, but a friendly neighbor wasn't having it. What started as a quick chat turned into an unexpected meeting with the police.
Hey! Okay, is it what? Hey, go ahead.
The guy was standing there when a tire came flying at him like a missile. Luckily, it hit the pole instead. In November 2015, 25-year-old LaQuandra Borden decided to flee the scene after being questioned by police, dragging two officers along as she drove off. After hitting a patrol car, she recklessly reversed and continued to flee.
Here, Crown, can you please? Your tires are north on Station.
Ultimately, the police apprehended her after a tense pursuit, with charges of shoplifting and hit and run. The container truck tried to dodge, but ran straight into the stubborn bum of the car. Be careful, don't end up hugging like this. The incident at the intersection of Arroyo Grande BLVD and S. Stephanie Street was quickly managed thanks to prompt action from the authorities, despite the unexpected turn of events, fortunately. No one was seriously injured. The swift response from all parties involved helped resolve the situation safely and efficiently. Truly impressive. This driver's skills deserve an extra driver's license. This car must be in a hurry to catch up with the Flash. reminded to turn off the car lights, but once they did, it was pitch dark. Two guys on motorcycles couldn't see a thing and ended up crashing right into the dust. Talk about a dramatic getaway. The BMW driver went from dodging two men to running them over, definitely not the smoothest exit. Now, he's got some serious explaining to do. Thank you all for watching the video until the very end. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to catch our latest videos as soon as they're released. We promise to bring you more high quality and captivating videos. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.